Your body can move faster than you think, and today, we're going to awaken that hidden speed. These 20 yoga poses are specially chosen to sharpen your reflexes, boost your balance, and help your mind respond in a split second. Whether you're playing, studying, or just moving through your day, these poses train your brain and body to work together like a superhero team. Let's begin your journey toward lightning-fast reflexes. 1. Mountain pose. Stand tall like a mountain and feel the ground beneath your feet. This pose teaches you stillness, the foundation of fast reflexes. When your mind is calm, your body reacts quicker. With every deep breath, your awareness grows, helping you stay focused even when things around you change suddenly. 2. Chair pose. Sit back into an invisible chair and engage your core. This builds strong legs that react instantly during movement. Your body learns to switch from stillness to action in a flash. As you hold the pose, notice your breath speeding up your alertness, preparing your muscles to fire quickly when needed. 3. Tree pose. Lift one foot and balance like a strong, steady tree. Every tiny wobble teaches your body to make micro-adjustments instantly. These small corrections are your natural reflexes waking up. The more you balance, the smarter your nervous system becomes, helping you react without even thinking. 4. High lunge. Step forward and sink into the lunge. This pose strengthens your legs and sharpens your focus. Being stable in this position trains your body to stay ready for fast movement. Your gaze forward improves concentration, helping your mind react more quickly during any changing situation. 5. Warrior 2. Open your arms wide and gaze over your front hand. This is the stance of readiness, strong, alert, and powerful. Warrior 2 improves reaction time by training eye-hand coordination. As you hold the pose, you learn how to remain focused even when your body is working hard. 6. Cobra pose. Lift your chest up like a gentle rising snake. This opens your chest and wakes up your spine, sending fresh energy through your body. Cobra pose strengthens the back, which helps your body react faster in sudden movements. With every rise, your awareness sharpens and your breath becomes your guide. 7. Standing star pose. Spread your arms and legs wide like a shining star. This pose improves full body awareness and balance. When your body understands its space, your reflexes become faster and more controlled. The expanded shape also teaches you alertness, helping you respond quickly when things shift around you. 8. Half moon pose. Balance on one leg while lifting the other behind you. This pose demands instant adjustments, training fast muscular reactions. It strengthens your legs and core while sharpening your sense of direction. As you hold the pose, your body learns to find stability even during quick changes. 9. Extended puppy pose. Stretch your arms forward and melt your chest toward the mat. This pose relaxes your shoulders and lengthens your spine, preparing your upper body for faster reactions. When your body is open, movements become quicker and more fluid. Your breath slows your mind, sharpening focus and awareness. 10. Plank pose. Hold your body straight like a board. This strengthens your core, the center of all quick movements. Plank trains your body to stay steady during sudden changes. With each second, your muscles fire faster, improving stability and reaction time. 11. Side plank balance on one arm and lift your hips high. This pose activates small stabilizer muscles that support fast reflexes. It teaches your body to respond quickly when balance is challenged. As you hold, you'll feel your mind grow sharper and more centered. 12. Dolphin pose. Place your forearms down and lift your hips high. This awakens your shoulders and upper back, improving strength and reaction speed. Dolphin pose also trains your head-shoulder coordination. With each breath, your reflexes become quicker and more refined. 13. Cat-cow. Pose flow between arching and dipping your spine. These quick transitions sharpen mind-body connection and movement timing. Your spine becomes more flexible, allowing faster reactions. Each movement teaches your body to respond smoothly and swiftly. 14. Downward dog to plank flow shift quickly between downward dog and plank. This flow strengthens your arms, core, and coordination. It mimics the quick transitions your body needs for better reflexes. The more fluid your motion becomes, the faster your reaction time grows. 15. Tiger pose. Lift your arm and opposite leg like a tiger ready to leap. This pose trains cross-body coordination, a key for sharp reflexes. It strengthens your core and improves balance. As you move, your body learns to react swiftly and gracefully. 16. Bird dog pose. Extend your opposite arm and leg like a balanced, focused bird. This trains both sides of the brain to communicate quickly. Every small wobble strengthens your coordination. Bird dog teaches your body to react fast while staying steady. 17. Frog pose. Open your hips wide with your knees apart. This releases tension and boosts mobility for rapid lower body movements. Faster hips mean faster reflexes. The pose also helps your legs move more freely and powerfully. 18. Horse stance. Sink down with your legs wide and strong. This pose is used by martial artists to build quick, explosive strength. Your legs become more responsive and ready for action. It also teaches you to stay calm and alert at the same time. 19. Child's pose. Rest your body gently on the mat. This pose calms the nervous system, helping your reflexes reset and recharge. When your mind is peaceful, your reaction time improves naturally. Child's pose teaches awareness, grounding, and quick mental recovery. 20. Standing forward. Bend to quick lift. Bend down and rise up with smooth control. This trains your body to shift from slow movement to fast action. The quick lift awakens your core and coordination. Every repetition teaches your reflexes to fire instantly and accurately. Your mind is more alert, your body more responsive, and your reflexes already getting sharper. Keep practicing these poses, and you'll move through life with speed, balance, and confidence. Thank you for joining this session. Like, share, and subscribe to bring more strength and calm into your world.